Let us talk about Sukanya Samriddhi Scheme, which is a small saving scheme. The scheme is aimed at the betterment of the girl child in the country for higher participation of the girls in education and other fields. Now let us see about the details. The account can be opened in the name of the girl child whose age is below 10 years. Each girl child will have only one account. The account can be opened in the post office or in the bank. An account under this scheme may be opened for a maximum of 2 girl children in one family. The account can be operated by a guardian till the girl attains the age of 18 years. Now let us see how much can be deposited. The minimum amount to be invested in each financial year is rupees 250 and the maximum amount cannot exceed rupees 1,50,000. Deposits can be made in the account till the completion of 15 years from the date of opening the account. For example, if the account is opened when the girl was 9 years old, then the deposits can be made in the account till she completes 24 years of age. Let us see the interest. The interest for the period 1st of April 2023 to 30th of June 2023 is 8% per annum, payable at the end of each financial year. Any contribution made on or before 5th of a month will be eligible for the interest for that month. For example, for the month of April 2023, if a contribution of rupees 50,000 is made on or before 5th of April 2023, then interest will be earned on rupees 50,000 for the month of April. However, if the contribution is made after 5th of April 2023, then interest on rupees 50,000 will be paid from May 2023 onwards by the bank or the post office in which the account is opened. Withdrawal can be a maximum of 50% of the amount outstanding in the account at the end of the previous financial year. The amount can be withdrawn only if the girl child attains 18 years of age or has passed 10th standard, whichever is earlier. Now let us see the maturity. The account shall mature on completion of a period of 21 years from the date of its opening. For example, if the account is opened when the girl child was 9 years old, then the account will be closed on maturity when she becomes 30 years old. The account can be closed before 21 years from the date of opening if the girl is getting married after attaining the age of 18 years. Thank you. If you like the video, please click on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel.